Hello, hi, my name is 𝐀𝐧𝐿. I'm from Kepong. So I'm using this service because I'm facing a problem GERD and sometimes I have like anxiety. So I just recently doing my therapy with this thing. So
Guasha Therapy with Master Lee?
Guasha Therapy with Master Lee. So now I feel my body quite comfortable. It's called me like, for Melayu it's called like self-tenang at this moment. So badan pun dah start ringan. So I hope after this the body will be back to normal again lah.
Since when you got this problem?
Almost 1 year and a half, almost 2 years actually, for my GERD and gastric anxiety.
Do you do any other treatment?
Previously, yes, I do like normal massage, but then still same, the result still same. I'm facing the same problem. I still receive my anxiety. And
any
now,
medication?
Yes, I take the pantoprazole and some of magnesium and some of supplement lah. But still sick. So I hope after this, now my body feel like comfortable after done my Guasha treatment. So I hope maybe I can after this call you back. I mean the Guasha team, the Mr. Lee team, to do again to do next review.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.